Hey everybody, BJ Hentrup here with Zoeller Pump Company at PHCC in Grand Rapids. We're showcasing our grinder pump, and we're going to put it through some flushable, some products you shouldn't be flushing down the toilet, like some flushable wipes, some gloves, and then some shop rags. So we have our flushable wipes that you're not technically supposed to be flushing. There it goes, took it like a champ. Got some gloves we'll throw down in here as well. Now this is a residential grinder pump. Just plugs right into your 115 volts. So if you have a sewage ejector, a 2-inch sewage ejector that's causing problems getting clogged from these items, this is when you would want this grinder pump. And there it goes, taking the shop rag. 115 volt, half horsepower, model 803. Any applications for sewage where you have those problems from clogging, this is where you would want to put that in there.